Hello everyone. Technology has changed the way we communicate with our family, our friends, our parents, our spouse, our close ones and everybody, right? There is social media, there are different ways to network, there are different ways to communicate. But one thing that has remained the same is how parents are talking to their children about safety, isn't it? They're always a little conscious, they're always a little scared about how do they convey to their children that what are the safety precautions, the protocols that their children should follow while they venture out in the online spaces. This has remained the same over the years. Here in this video, we're going to share some of the tips that you as parents might want to follow when you are trying to have that conversation about online safety with your children. Let your children know that the rules of the offline etiquettes apply to the online etiquettes too. They should not hurl abuses, they should respect each other, there should be admirations, and they should follow the basic principle of listening and then reacting to anybody on social media also. Tell them very clearly that if there is something that you would not want to happen to yourself or your close ones, then don't do it to others. It's a very simple basic rule of life, right? Live happily and let others also live happily. It's a very simple way of how you would teach your children to cross the road safely, of how you would teach children to not drink and drive, of wearing seat belts, and all these are safety precautions. But we know that the harm of not following these safety precautions is higher. Same thing we have to apply for the conduct in the online spaces also. Tell them that these are the safety protocols meant for their own safety and also for a better experience that they will have in the online spaces. Try to be a good role model for your kids. If you don't want them to use the phone after 10 p.m., then you have to follow the same. Because today, children will not do as you will say, they will do as you will do. Engage with them early. Yes, we have seen and observed, and parents have come to us that they give tablets, iPhones, desktops, laptops to their kids so to keep them engaged at a very young age. But then now that has happened, you also need to start having that conversation about safety to them and have that conversation before they have already entered the social media space and are finding it difficult to make the space of their own and are finding difficult to have conversations with other people. Also are finding difficult to tackle some of the issues that do come across in the online spaces. So have that conversation earlier with them, and that should be a very frank and a friendly conversation. Do not scare your children. It's not going to work out that way. Please make sure that it's a friendly conversation. Tell them, build their resilience about it, make them stronger, empower them about this, and strictly, please do not discourage them from using these spaces. You should always look at it from the perspective of that if they use it, they should use it for better purposes. They should be safe while they're using it. Have that sort of mindset while you're having that conversation. Identify and seize those key moments. Your child is ready to drive the car, he or she is getting the driving license, perfect. Have that conversation of safety with them. Similarly, when your child is ready to be on social media or explore the internet, have that safety conversation with them. Tell them, build the resilience of that they might come across good and bad, both things on social media or internet spaces. Tell them how can they differentiate. Tell them that you are there to help them out if they are facing any sort of issue of cyberbullying or trolling, or they're not able to respond or understand a comment which they're finding mean. Tell them that you are there to help. But find all these key moments when they're first stepping on to probably explore Facebook or any other social media platform, or they're first getting a laptop, or they're getting a mobile phone for the first time. These are the key moments, and these are the perfect moments to have a safety protocol conversation with your children. Most importantly, trust yourself, trust your gut. Yes, Each parent and child relationship is very different. The way you negotiate with your children and your children negotiate with you is pretty different from all other parent and children. So believe in that. You know how you can make your child understand certain things in a better way. Follow the same thing and trust us, it's all same offline and online. It's just that you need to get up, rise and start having those friendly conversations, start having those frank conversations, because you are the best guide that your children can have for any space that we can talk about. So trust yourself, follow your gut, and trust me, you will have that great relationship with your children, even about when it comes to online spaces. Another thing that we just want to share with you is that your children are amazing. They are smart, they're hardworking, they know about things. So let's not discourage them for anything. Let's not scare them off any space that they're trying to explore. But do build the resilience. If they know something, be open to learning from them. At times it has happened that parents do not really know how to use certain apps, but the children are well equipped with that knowledge. Be open to learn from them. That way you're trying, that way you're perfectly building that relationship of your child can come to you, ask you something, or if you have any question, your child will be open to come and help you out also. So that sort of relationship, try and keep on building that from the very young age itself. That's all I think for the list that we had to share with you, but it's just the beginning, and these are some of the tips that we could think of at the back of our mind and share with you. But most importantly, you know the relationship best with your children, and we are sure that you're concerned about their safety. It's just that we're here to help you out with any knowledge that we can have. But if you have any better plans or better ways that you can tell us, please do reach out to us and share them.